Hello guys, there we have OPPO A17 and today I will show you how you can scan the temperature of your body by the app on your device. So we have to start from downloading this app and opening it. Now skip. And we have to wait a moment. Close the ad and tap this simulation icon. Now turn off voices and just hold your finger here. Be careful, this app will not work properly if your phone doesn't have a temperature sensor. Now we have to wait a moment. And here you can see this is my results, and that's it. Now you can save it here. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.